Okay, once you're done and you're complete with your project, you have a couple of options. And the options are you either disassemble the gun the same way you reassembled it, or you just let it dry and you can throw it in the trash can. Now, the same fast dry solvent that you wiped off the surfaces to prep, you can use that to clean the gun. So whether that's MEK, lacquer thinner, or acetone, you simply just put all of the components in that solvent, let them get soaked, and then you can pull them out, wipe them clean. You can use a pipe cleaner to get through the siphon tube and the actual needle nozzle at the front of the gun. Real quick cleanup, but again, if you don't intend on using it again, just toss it. But if you intend on buying some more Alpha Liner and using it on projects that you have coming in the future, we sell it with and without the gun, so you've got options there. Make sure you just keep your gun clean if you want to use it again. And as a last note, let the liner dry for 35, 45, maybe an hour. And you can untape and get all the plastic off of it, and we can reveal what this final product looks like. So stay tuned, because we're going to show what the Jeep looks like completely uncovered, and then we're going to get the seats put back in it so we can get out and go have fun in our Jeep.